Myntri Rangbah ka jylla konrad ki sangma hinen kasngi ula Leit jngoh eka museum ka badon hanong ba Itanagar jong ka jylla Arunachal Pradesh. Myntri Rangbah mentau dang don ha Itanagar manesim benta ha ka jingamir jungmut jong ka seng jong ka National People's Party. Habakran ki nong tok kubor Myntri Rangbah konrad ki sangma ula ya ro eka jing itana jong ka museum ka ba jupoy perkhan. Ulaong bagani ka museum kapin phalang ka Arunachal Pradesh kadai ka jylla ka babon ki jai ben rio. Ulaong bagani ka museum kapin phalang baka Arunachal Pradesh kadai ka jylla ka babon ki jai ben rio.
So these are the different tribal groups distributed distinct. So from Tawang to Small to this Longding, Wangsa. Different. Some are also teaching, not dominated by.
Yeah, we have come here for, of course, conclave, which is basically on the discussion on regional aspirations, yet having a national outlook. And it's a very important topic for the Northeast. So therefore we have got people from different walks of life to come in and discuss about this issue. So we're hopeful that it'll be a very, very productive conclave, and a lot of good suggestions and discussions will take place. At the same time, I'm here to visit the museum here in Itanagar. It's a really beautiful museum, really well maintained, and it is really giving a very, very clear picture of the diverse historical and cultural diversity this state has. It was really nice to see the kind of archaeological artifacts that are out here, which I never knew was there. So therefore, it's really giving a great representation of the diversity and the rich culture that Arunachal Pradesh has. And I would like to urge all tourists and citizens of our country, in fact, they should come and see this museum, because it's really a great showcase of the diversity that our great country has. Thank you.